Good morning. We're going to talk about today how to help your child learn to use their cochlear implant so that they can get the best benefit from their hearing technology. Today's topic is acoustic highlighting. And acoustic highlighting is simply taking a sentence or a word or sounds and emphasizing a portion of it so that it can be more easily understood by your child. Today I'm going to use my little house, and I'm going to say a sentence using my little gingerbread man. I love my little gingerbread man. The sentence here that I would say for a student is, the gingerbread man is in front of the house. And right there when I said in front, I paused and said in front a little bit louder, a little bit more emphasis on that part of the sentence. That's the acoustic highlighting part of it. That's what you do. We kind of do it naturally whenever we want somebody to be sure that they heard exactly what we said, especially if it's a longer instruction. But you can do it if you have multiple toys and you're playing at home and you want to use your acoustic highlighting to give a longer sentence and practice those longer sentences. What you can do is then you can tell your child, you have two little toys, you can say, the deer is inside the house, so that they know it's the deer that's inside the house. Easy peasy. You can do it with one toy if you only want one toy and you want to work on like positioning. You can do it where, just like I did in my first example, with the gingerbread man is in front of the house. You can do the gingerbread man is next to the house. And all of that is just simply the acoustic highlighting of exactly where the gingerbread man is or which toy you're using. You can do this with any toy that you have. Acoustic highlighting is just something that works with everything. And all you're doing is kind of pausing, maybe saying the word or the sounds that you want your child to hear more clearly, a little bit louder, a little bit slower, and then going on with the rest of the sentence. It's important to note that once your child is able to do this, go ahead and phase it out. You can 100% give them the sentence, the gingerbread man is next to the house. And that way they hear it without that acoustic highlighting, which helps them later on when they're listening in conversation and sentences. So have fun. I hope you enjoy.